Are you frustrated that your YouTube channel isn't growing? See, the biggest mistake I see most creators make isn't just about titles and thumbnails, it's how they show up on this thing here, the camera. And it actually might be killing your growth without you even realizing it. So, what is this mistake? Well, you need to stick with me, don't you? So I was on a discovery call this morning with someone who said to me, Stephen, I feel like I've got to be polished, professional, and perfect on camera. Otherwise, nobody will take me seriously. Do you feel like that when you're making a YouTube video? But then he added something that hit me like a sledgehammer. He said, when I look into the lens, I just see a void. I can do it on stage. So why can't I do it on camera? See, that's the exact mistake I see so many creators over 40 making. So I told him this. It's because you don't practice being yourself on camera. And he paused. It was like his mic drop moment. You see, people think just because they've got a camera and a voice that they can just instantly make a video. But when they screw it up, they don't just feel awkward. They damage their personal brand. Now, the real mistake isn't showing up imperfectly. It's hiding behind perfection and losing the human connection which the audience is craving. It's so blatant right now on YouTube. So how do you fix it? Well, I'm going to share with you 3 shifts that you can try today. Now, the first one is stop talking to everyone. And imagine that you're helping a friend, not broadcasting to the world. Now, I teach a very contrarian way on how to do this and how to practice it. Because you'll hear the gurus saying that you should use the rear, the back facing camera. And I'm like, no, you don't. Because my audience are beginners trying to get on camera, people who feel a little bit awkward. So I say, use this, the front facing camera. There is a very, very specific reason why. Is when you are shooting a video, what happens is, like my good friend Jacob said to me, I just see this void, and then he just feels uncomfortable and awkward. Now, if you're feeling like that, why not put yourself in front of you? Now, it's not the best camera, but actually the front facing camera records in HD. YouTube, I think, shows the videos in 720 or whatever it might be. So your front facing camera is good enough for you to get started and make a decent quality video. And this way you can create a human connection with yourself. Because I bet you'll have to let me know in the comments, if you stood in front of the mirror, you could talk to yourself all day. Same principle. And if you're in the early stages and getting over that fear and that uncomfortableness and awkwardness, then the first thing to do is use your front facing camera and practice talking to yourself. Now, another tip that I share with Jacob, because he's on my Courage Before Confidence training, which there'll be a link around here so you can check it out. And it's going to get him comfortable on camera in 30 days. It's an absolute 30-day transformational program, and so many people have gone through it. And I'll show you some pictures of people around here who've done it. But he's doing a video every single day, 2 minutes a day in the morning. And I said, if you want to now level that up, and I'm actually considering talking about this as the advanced level in the program, is in the afternoon, do another 2 minutes a day video, but this time talk about your business. Because what you'll find is, and these don't have to go anywhere, they can be deleted and put in the ether, but you're practicing. What you'll find is then when you're using the front facing camera and talking to yourself about your business, you become more comfortable about talking about your business. And therefore these YouTube videos, they become really easy. So talk to one person, not everyone. And the easiest person to talk to is actually yourself. Now, the second step is really quite simple. Stop scripting. You've heard this thing about people being authentic and showing up at being their beautiful, perfect self. Well, authenticity isn't scripting. Life is not scripted. So a very simple way in doing this is just use bullet points, exactly like I'm using now. I've got bullet points on these 3 key steps, and I am riffing through, and I'm using honest and real and raw examples, and I'm showing up being completely and unapologetically myself. And you'll find that my speech runs away with me sometimes, and then sometimes I'm a bit slower and I'll lean into things. And all of that nuance is what actually draws and pulls people towards you. not scripts. Clarity beats word for word perfection. So use bullet points to lean into your honest authenticity. And now, step number 3 is the best bit. It's the quirks, it's the stumbles, it's the laughter, it's the raw, real moments. I've made mistakes in this video. I'm not going to take them out. I'm going to lean into them so that you get an understanding of actually who I am as a real person. Because there's so many raw and unedited videos out there right now, and they're doing so well. Some are going viral, some are blowing up people's channels and their businesses, and it's certainly done that for my business. Showing up, being unapologetically me, leaving in my stumbles. I think I said like perfectly or unperfectly or perfect. I can't believe it. Some perfection thing earlier. And I'll leave it in because you know what? If you met me in a pub, in a coffee shop or in the street or coming off a stage, I would be this person that you're talking to. Wouldn't you feel comfortable meeting this guy rather than some version of myself which is completely unsustainable? So leave your quirks in your content. See, when you try these steps, something surprising happens. Your audience finally sees you. Now, here's my challenge to you. The next time you go to record, ditch the perfect script. Just write down 3 bullet points like I have today and imagine a friend on the other side of that lens and just talk to them. And if you're using the front-facing camera and going against all the rules, even better. You'll be amazed at how much easier it feels and how much more of you comes through. Now, if this idea of connection over perfection resonates with you, come and join my newsletter. Every week I share tips and stories to help over 40 creators show up with confidence, clarity, authenticity on this beautiful platform, YouTube. There's a link in the description below. I would love to see you inside. Now, if you want to go that bit deeper right now, I've got a free 1-hour masterclass type course here on YouTube, and it walks you through exactly how to start making videos that feel natural, authentic, and effective. And I'll give you every tool that you need to get going today. So click here, watch that video, enjoy it, and let me know how it goes. Take care. Much love. Big Daddy out.